hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain you some basics of computer. So we will learn this according to parts. Means I have made 6 parts. So in the first part I'll explain you about the definition of computer. So what is computer? As everybody knows about, computer is an electronic machine. Okay, and it works on IPO cycle, that is input, process and output. Otherwise you can call it as input, processing and output. So what is the input? That I'll explain you in the part 2, that is basic functions of a computer. Before that I'll explain you that what are the uses of computer. So computer helps in many tasks like typing, calculation, studying, and it is used to play games also. It is used to listen music. It is used to do calculations, designings, and it is used in banking sectors also. Now we will come back on part 2, that is basic functions of computer. So computer works on IPO cycle, that is input, process and output. So for this I'll give you one real time example, that is uh, pizza. So how will you make pizza? For before making pizza, you will need the dough of flour. Okay, and then some vegetables, cheese. So these are the requirements, that will comes under input. And then when we will take one pizza base, then we will put some vegetables on that, and then we will sprinkle some black pepper and chili flakes. So that will be comes under processing, and finally our pizza will be ready. So that will be our output. So this is the real time example of IPO cycle. Now in computer language, what is input? Suppose we want to do calculation, like if we want to mm, use calculator and we want to add 5 plus 6, so we will type 5, then plus sign and 6 with the help of keyboard. So that typing means we are giving instructions and data to the computer, so that will be comes under input. And then it will process under CPU, means that calculation procedure will be done under CPU. CPU is a central processing unit, and then whatever the output will be there, that will be shown on the screens. So it's one type of result, whatever we are getting, that is called as output. Then the fourth important function is storage, means how to save the data, whatever we are working on the computer, how to save that data. So we can save that data in computer as well as in storage devices. So basic storage device everybody knows, that is pen drive. And regarding details about storage devices, that I will explain you in the next video. Okay, now coming back to part 3, that is the component of a computer. So computer has two basic components, that is hardware and software. Hardware means the physical parts of computer that we can see and touch, means that is keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor and printer. So there is one basic difference, that hardware we can touch and we can see also, but this is, I'm talking about computer only, I'm not talking about all over the world. And software means that we can see but we can't touch, means the program inside the computer. So many applications are there like MS Word, Chrome, games, then whatever we are downloading from Play Store in mobile, that are also softwares. And there are two basic types of software, that is application software and system software, that I will explain you in detail whenever I will upload video regarding that. And now coming back to hardware, so everybody knows that we can touch keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, printer. So these are all hardware. So whenever anyone will ask you about hardware, what are the hardwares, so that time you can tell them keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, printer. So these are the physical parts of computer and we can see and we can touch them. And regarding software also I have explained you, and if you are having any doubt you can ask me in comments. Then part 4, that is input and output devices. So input devices means what? The input devices, the devices which are used for giving input. As I've already told you that we can giving input, we can give input in the form of typing, and we are clicking also at that time. So keyboard and mouse, these are the devices which are used for giving input, which are used to provide data and commands or instructions to the computer. So these are the examples of input devices, that is keyboard, mouse. Then scanner is also input device, and microphones. So microphone, the short form of microphone is mic is used in schools. So I think whenever we want to speak something, we are giving output through that microphone. That's why microphone is an input device. And scanner, so scanner, why it is input device? Because if we want to scan something, so we are giving input through that scanner, then only we will get that scan image. So that's why it is an input device. And then output devices, so the output devices, the devices which are gives us results, that is monitor, we can see the result on the monitor. Then printer gives you the hard copy. Okay, hard copy means whenever we have typed something, so if we want that output, so it will get with the help of printer. Then speaker, so whenever we want to listen any song publicly, so that time speakers are used, means that voice, or sorry, that song we can able to hear from speaker. So that's why output, speaker is an output device. And projector, so projector, it is also used to display some output on the screen. So that's why projector is used, because projectors are used for giving presentations also. Then next one is part 5, that is storage devices. So what are storage devices? So as I've already told you, that if you want to store some data or files, so that we can store in a computer, and rather than that, we can store in external devices also. So basically there are two types of devices, that is internal storage and external storage devices. So internal storage means whatever the devices, or whatever the type of storage devices that are present under CPU, that is hard disk and SSD, means solid state drive. So these are available, these are present inside CPU. So whatever the data you will stored in computer, that will stored in the hard disk and SSD of the CPU. Then external devices, if you want to save the data externally, if your internal memory is full, then that time you will need external storage, so that you can save your data with the help of pen drive, memory card, and CD, otherwise DVD. CD means compact disc, and DVD means digital versatile disc. So nowadays CD DVD, might be the use is not so much comparing to pen drive. So nowadays pen drives are used, and external hard disk are also used. So this is all about storage devices. Then the types of computers, part 6. So comparing, based on the size and the use, there are some types of computers. So first one is a desktop computers. So desktop computer, why it is called as desktop computer? Because it is placed on the desk, computer is placed on the desk, that's why it is called as a desktop computer. And these computers are having keyboard, CPU, and mouse, and these are used in homes, schools, and offices. And these are not portable, means we cannot carry from one place to another place, we have to keep on the table. Okay. Then laptop are portable computer, means we can easily carry in a bag, and we can, while traveling, we can carry our laptop anywhere. Okay. And portable means it's easy to use. Okay. Then tablet, comparing to this, means desktop and laptop, it is very small in size, and it is having touch screen. And it is larger than phone, but it is smaller than laptop. Then another advanced version is there, that is smartphone. That smartphones we are using nowadays. So these are smallest portable, means easy to use computers. So nowadays these are used for calling, internet, gaming, social media. Means, so these smartphones are used, these are also one type of computers. So this is all about basics of computer. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, then please like the video and write me in comments. And if you're having any doubt or if you're having any suggestions, please write in comments. I will make the video according to that. So thank you for watching the video.